Welcome to my Even Coder House. And today we make and we analyze reports. This one, like we have funnel charts like this type, and we have line charts, and we have cards, and we have also donut charts, and we analyze all of them. Like we have seen cards, discount, and reports, quantity, and we have funnel chart for analyze segments and subcategories like phones and machines. Like we analyze we click in phone. So also donut charts also different, and reasons also different, discount sales, all of them are different for phone, order date. And now we go to art. So art analyze also different. So this is our report, and we make in few minutes for with help of one secret key. And secret key is control slash. We click, so we have Q and A charts show, and then we make reports. So let's we start, and first go to Excel. We have columns 21, row ID, order ID, order dates, like we have dates, database, and we have ship modes, customer ID, and customer name database. And we have a geography database like countries, cities, state, and then we go to there. So we have product ID, and we have category database, and go go to right. So we have also product name and sale, quantity, discount, profit, like we have numbers database. So now we have so many columns, like 21 columns, and we have different types of database like text, numbers, and geography. So now we analyze we ordered ship, and date we have, and we have also customer name and segment, and also geographic database. So we also absorb subcategory and category, and also product name, and there also quantity and discount we also analyze in report. So let's go to report. So we now I open Power BI, and then I go to for black report, and then I go to get data. So my data is Excel, so I go to Excel workbook, and then I select my Excel file, open, and now data is connecting in report. So now we navigator open or order one and order what I choose. So I first choose order. So we have options three like load and transform data and cancel. So because of I load, because my data is already checked, and I have no empty column, and I have no empty numbers and anything. So I go to load. Otherwise, you have transform data you have a empty column and rows. So you check, and you also check in there. So my data is no, so close and apply. And I load my data in database. Now it's loading. So my data is load in database like category size, city, countries, like you also check. So we have great data. So now we input in report. So so we have a short key. So now we control and slash tab show control and left slash we click. So we have this type of chart we show. So bracket open and now we hear about ask a question about your data. So my question is reasons and sales comparison in donut. So I just write donut and so I click enter. So our sale and reasons in donut replace like this. So I also okay enter a new question for this. I go and now we enter okay. So now we enter okay and I crop this like this and go to corner. Now also control and slash and now we prepare funnel chart with a subcategory subcategory and sale for funnel chart. So I write a funnel chart. So subcategory is also name and sales also name table and funnel chart is chart. So now enter. So it's basically this is funnel chart and okay. And because of this funnel chart make in a few seconds because of Q&A chart. And now we crop and now we go to also next for segment and sales for donut chart. I enter and this is ready to segment and sales like consumer, corporate, home office, and also as we have four segments and now we okay there and our segments also ready and we also analyze for sales and now we also add control slash for orders data order data comparison of sales y line chart control slash and we go to ask like sale for card and enter and okay. So our card is also ready and Now also same process like drag and drop, and now we analyze quantity for card like card, and okay, enter, and I just okay, and we have also quantity, and now we go to discount. So I just control slash, and we I just write a discount for card, and also okay, and now I go to also for profit. So I control slash, and I just write a profit. We already we drag and drop charts we make like cards, and this is for not the beginners. This is for product management system, because beginners is go to level by level, so they knowledge how to make charts, and anyone like one example, anyone get challenge for Power BI reports make in few minutes, so we also say yes, I will make this report. So now we go to text box or write reports. Now go. I just text box add in dashboard. Like I write a size. Like what my Excel sheet name. Size sales data for reports analyze. So analyze report, and I just and we have also home office, like numbers also change, and now we go to for format, and we have so many formats. Go to view, and just go to view, and we have theme, like we have this so many colors of theme like this type, and also different types of themes we have like this is also nice, and we just put a proper chart in there, like this is messy, like it's not shuttle proper, not shuttle down, so we can shuttle, and now we have make this chart. So now we have this dashboard, like this report for analyze, and some people also say dashboard, but it's called a report. So and I also satellite like proper way, and this video is useful, so subscribe my channel for more coming videos, and thank you for watching.